These tanks are popular among militaries around the world. 1. The Leopard 2 is one of the most common main battle tanks in the world, used by militaries on 4 continents. As such, the market for upgrades that bring older versions to the latest protection standards and mortality rates is huge. The original designer of the Leopard 2, who is marketing various kits and new versions of the Leopard 2. But before delving into the details of the update kit, it is important to know what standards most of the world's Leopards have. The majority of Leopard 2s operated worldwide are standard Leopard 2A4, built between 1985 and 1992. The Leopard 2A6 is the most traditional upgrade, following the naming conventions and general trends of the previous 2A6 upgrade series. It builds on the 2A5 upgrade, which introduces major changes to the turret design, including the signature wedge turret. The wedge shape is the result of applying an armor pack with a considerable distance to the turret. Most of the volume is in wedge blanks, which provides some resistance to the heat shell, and some added protection to the case shell. Additional composite armor is also placed on the sides of the hull. Some subvariants of the 2A6 such as the Leopard 2E operated by Spain have additional armor mounted on the front of the hull, turret front and turret roof, which are made to the original specifications. Since the shooter's view on the tower is considered a rather large weak point, it is moved above the tower. The 2A5 upgrade also introduces an electric turret drive and introduces an independent thermal commander sight. On the 2A6, the gun was also upgraded to the L55 cannon, which increased the speed of projectiles fired. This is considered an important upgrade, as it is a significant improvement over the Leopard 2's anti-tank capabilities. The 2A6M variant also includes further belly armor for mine protection as well as a shockproof ammunition rack and other enhancements. 2A6 in fairly wide service. Most of the previous types belonged to the Royal Netherlands Army, which disbanded their Leopard 2 fleet, including 2A6, in 2012 as a result of defense budget cuts and was sold to other European countries. However, despite their age, they have most of the features a modern tank should have, including some of the shortcomings of the T-72B3 and T-90A.